Yo, what's good everyone? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make money with SMM panels. Now, a lot of people don't know about this, a lot of people do. It's basically a panel where you can buy things like, TikTok views and stuff, and you can resell it. Alright, you can sell it for a high price because on the SMM panels, they're normally quite cheap. So yeah, let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is go to Google, type in SMM panel, and find a list of panels. This one is quite good, SMM pack. Click on it, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to decide what you want to sell. You can sell everything, or you could sell just the main things like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Right, as you can see here. Let's see, Instagram views, Instagram followers, high quality, refill. That means if like some of the followers drop, so if you buy 100 and you get 100 but the next day it goes to like 95, it'll refill it for you, right? And there's a price. So rate per 1,000 means for every 1,000 you're paying 0.05 cents. Okay, so for Twitter followers, for every 1,000, $2.4. Instagram likes, for every 1,000, 0.9. Okay, and if you go to Google and type in buy Instagram followers, you can see here, I think, let's check, buy Instagram followers. As you can see, 2,500 is $27, right? But here, if we go to Instagram and we find some followers, let's see which one is decent. High quality right here, 0.4 cents for 1,000, which means you'll pay about over $1, and look how much profit you can make. $27.5, you pay $1.5, you make $26 profit. And they're even using some of these tactics. 84% off now. They're copywriting on here. But yeah, it's basically this easy. Okay, if you want a free website, you can either use Shopify, you can use Wix. Okay, just fill in your details, make a free website. You don't know how to Google it, yeah, and then basically just set it up just like this here, exactly like this. You can even do what Amazon does and say, this deal's only for the next 5 hours or next 100 people, and create urgency. And then basically sell it. Yeah, this is the website. There's cheaper ones too, I believe. Let's see what else. Just another panel, I think, is like the top one. We have this one here, #1 cheapest. You can just shop around, test it maybe with $5, see if it works, and then you can carry on. As you can see here, they're a bit more expensive, I think. Yeah, it's probably the most the viral thing right now. As you can see, TikTok followers here. Okay, this is no refill. These are real high quality for $2.5. I suggest you buy these ones right here rather than okay, non-drop means the followers don't drop, right? So if you buy 1,000, it's not gonna drop to 800. Sometimes it drops. These are more expensive, but look how much they're selling here for, like $16, and you're getting it for 3.75, or you're getting the cheaper one for $2.5. That's like a lot of profit, bruv. Okay, obviously you're gonna have to buy a domain, something like this. Yeah, set it up. Okay, if you don't know how to buy a domain, GoDaddy, and just type in Insta, whatever you want, followers, XP, search, and it's super cheap. It's like a can't find this. Okay, I don't know what's cutting here, boys. Instagram 1 2 3 follower. Follows are wrong. Okay, normally it'll pop up here. I don't know what's going on now, but yeah, it'll pop up here. It's normally cheap. If you get like the dot shop one, it's quite cheap. And yeah, basically just hook it up to your website. Then you sit. Advertise on TikTok, advertise on Instagram, advertise on YouTube, get people to buy it, making a few $1,000% profit every. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.